Hello everyone and welcome back to CBSE Tech Talks. In today's video, we will be writing a Python program that keeps accepting numbers from the user until they enter 0. At the end, it will display the sum and average of the number entered. For finding out average, the entry 0 will not be included. By the end of this video, you will understand how loops can keep accepting inputs, how to break out of the loop using conditions, and how to calculate sum and average of a series of numbers. Now, in this program, we initialize total and count as 0, thus using a while true loop. This is while true loop. We keep asking the user for a number. If the number entered is 0, the loop stop using the break statement. Otherwise, it will keep adding to total and even count is incremented by 1. Finally, we calculate average as total upon count and the print sum as well as average. I think this coding is clear. So we have initialized total, while is used, this input statement is inside the while loop. If number enter is 0, break, so it will move out of break. The break will move the control from while loop, and then at the end, if count is 0, count is greater than 0, then it will calculate. Otherwise, it is not going to calculate. It means if in the initial case only you have entered 0, it is not going to go with. Let's try this coding. Okay, so I have copied it. Click on run, click run module, and now if I enter 0, there is one case now, so now no numbers were entered, the option was coming. Otherwise, if I run it, let's take the first number as 2, let the second number as 4, 6, 8 and 0. It is giving you sum of numbers 20 and average of numbers as 5.0. Now 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 6 is 12, 12 plus 8 is 20. And how many numbers are entered? 4 numbers are entered. So 20 by 4 will be 5.0. So it has displayed sum as well as average. This is a great example of how loop can be used to handle repeated input and calculations. To modify, I would like you to modify the program to find out maximum as well as minimum numbers. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe CBSE Tech Talks for more Python programs. Take care and keep coding.